Time to replace the filter. We're going to change the water filter in this fridge. And up there is where the water filter is housed. Step 1, put a rag in there in case any water comes out. Step 2, pull on this latch, open and reveal the water filter housing. And then step 3, twist right, left. There's the old filter. New filter. There's the part number. Okay, so now putting the new filter in is the exact opposite of removal. Push in, turn to the right, and we'll be good. You can see here these little notches. We want to get those aligned at the 9 and 3 position. Like that. And then push in. And just like that. Good to go. Just to show you one more time, as you can see here, right where that blue and white interlock, that's where this beveled piece twists in like that and locks. So you put it in like this and then twist it like that, and then that locks it. So that's kind of what's going on right there. Okay, then once you're done, push it up until it clicks. Done. And in case you need the model number of the fridge so you can find the right replacement part for yours, again, this is a Whirlpool. Look on the jam underneath and you'll see right there, model number thing. If you have to reset the order filter or the replace filter, what you'll do is you click options, filter reset, confirm. And there you go. I'll double check by opening and closing. And as you can see, it's gone. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, give it a like and subscribe. I'll put a link down to the part I use in this video below, as well as the model number. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Since we added a new filter, it's best to kind of cycle through the water. As you can see, nice and dirty. Totally natural. This is just because the new filter's in there. You don't want to drink that. So I'll keep cycling until it gets clean. Quick tip for you. So I promise you the filter is as easy to take off as turn left and pull out. But let's say you're having some difficulty pulling it out. What you can do is get one of these filter wrenches or these strap wrenches. What these do is they allow you to have more leverage, especially on something round, by just sliding the rubber over and then pulling taut on the rubber. And then these teeth that you can see here on the wrench, when you twist, they catch on the rubber and make it easier for you to twist. So for example, let's say you were trying to get the filter off, you were struggling, you could see about getting a smaller version of one of these filter wrenches, these strap wrenches. You'd slide it over, as you can see here, the housing, the filter itself, and then wherever you have space to pull the handle, and then lefty-loosey. Do not use this to tighten the filter on. It is as simple as pushing in, turning right. To get it off, you could use the strap wrench. Do not use it to tighten because you will over tighten this. You should not need tools to tighten this. Hope that was helpful.